How to open TD bank account online. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can open up a TD bank account online, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to open up a TD bank account online, all you have to do is just go to td.com and then you're going to be able to see this type of interface. When you're on the website, you want to make sure to just click the product option here, and then you want to go to this option known as a bank account and then make sure to click on it. Once you come to this bank account section, you'll be able to see this type of interface where you can simply select the type of bank account that you want to create, such as your inclusive banking plan, unlimited checkings account, or your everyday savings account. So depending upon what you want, just click the continue option as you can find it here. And as you click on the continue option, you're going to be taken to the next page as you would be able to find it. And then here you'll be see apply.td.com. Once you're on this website, it will just take you to the page where you can fill in a form, and basically what you want to do is fill in all those forms respectively. It'll ask you for your social security number, your tax identification number, and so forth. If you are a TD customer, select a not, or I'll just select not yet and I'll select apply online. After you've done that, enter all of the details, and if your details are correct, it'll be done for the verification purposes. And after you've done that, just click on continue, and then your TD bank account will be successfully created. This way you can create a TD bank account. Hope this video was very helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in the next video.